welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my last travel series. And today I'll take you to India, traveling from New Delhi to Agra to explore the historic city of Agra and the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world and a timeless symbol of love. But Agra is more than just the Taj Mahal. To truly appreciate its monuments, we will also dive into India's ancient history and rich civilizations that shaped this land. So let's begin this journey. So to understand India's history, I have divided it into 4 key phases. First one is ancient India and the Indus Valley civilization. Second is early kingdoms and empires of India. Third is Islamic invasions and Delhi Sultanate. And fourth is the Mughal Empire, that is when the Taj Mahal was built. So the ancient India and early civilization, this period takes us back more than 5,000 years to the Indus Valley civilization, one of the world's oldest urban cultures, laying the foundation of India's social, scientific and spiritual traditions. So regarding the early kingdoms and empires of India, from the Mauryas to the Guptas, this era shaped the Indian political structure, art and education, as well as philosophy, often referred to as India's Golden Age. So the Islamic invasions and sultanates, beginning around the 8th century, multiple invasions and later the Delhi Sultanate introduced new administrative systems, architecture and cultural changes that significantly altered the subcontinent. Good morning from Agra, and we are ready to pay our visit to the Taj Mahal, and we have already bought the 6 a.m. tickets for Taj Mahal.
Four.
And the last phase is the Mughal Empire, the Taj Mahal era. The Mughal period marked a major architectural transformation, with Agra becoming a central capital. It was during this time that Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal, a monument that blends Persian, Central Asian, and Indian craftsmanship. So after passing multiple security checkpoints, we are now walking towards the eastern entrance gate to Taj Mahal. As we enter the East Gate, inside the photo gallery shows Mughal plans, sketches, and inscriptions. So the East Gate reveals the Taj gradually, a Persian-inspired design. Now at the Charbagh Garden, which is divided into 4 squares representing paradise rivers. Mughals integrated nature with architecture, believing in spiritual and aesthetic order. As we enter through the East Gate, the noise fades, the crowds slow down, and suddenly there is the Taj Mahal, rising in perfect symmetry, glowing softly in white marble. We are now walking towards the great and beautiful monument, and these gardens are part of the original Mughal design. They are laid out in perfect symmetry with water channels and walkways guiding you straight to the Taj. The idea was to create a peaceful space, almost like a garden of paradise, before reaching the monument. So on the right side of the Taj Mahal is the guest house, symmetrical to the mosque. Fun fact is that even unused buildings were carefully designed for balance, reflecting Mughal love of symmetry and order. On the left side of Taj Mahal, you will see this beautiful red sandstone mosque. It was built as part of the original complex and is still used for prayers today. The contrast between the red stone and the white marble of Taj looks amazing, and it really completes the whole layout. The back platform of Taj Mahal faces the Yamuna River, and there are some interesting facts about that. The Yamuna River stabilizes the foundation of this monument, and the minarets lean slightly outward to prevent earthquake damage. So Shah Jahan planned a black Taj for himself across the river, but it was never built. You must have noticed the beautiful carvings on Taj Mahal, and what's amazing about these carvings is that the flowers and patterns are not painted. They are made from colorful gemstones inlaid into the marble. Isn't that amazing? It's called Petra Dura and it makes the details look almost magical, three-dimensional, especially in the sunlight. So the Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his third wife Mumtaz Mahal. After she passed away, he wanted to create something that would symbolize his love forever. So this monument was built over 22 years and by 20,000 artisans with the stones imported from across Asia.
Water Mahal, Jal Mahal.
Inside the Taj Mahal are the cenotaphs of Mumtaz Mahal, Shah Jahan's wife, and Shah Jahan himself. He was buried here after Aurangzeb imprisoned him, adding a human story behind the monument. So our next stop is a marble workshop where artisans demonstrate marble carving and stone inlay just like the Taj. This craft is centuries old and directly preserves Mughal techniques. You can also buy miniature Taj replicas here as souvenirs. And that brings an end to our visit to this beautiful monument, the Taj Mahal. And I'll see you in my next video where we'll further explore the city of Agra. Till then, have a good one and bye-bye.